Okay, students, the previous class, the muscles tissues, muscular tissues, the types of muscles, the three types. The first one is completed. First type of the muscles, skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscle structure completely briefly explains the skeletal muscles. And next, we are going to discuss second one, smooth muscles. The smooth muscle. The smooth muscles. Third one, cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle. So second one, now it's a smooth muscles and straightened muscles or skeletal muscles. What is the difference between the skeletal muscles and the smooth muscles? The skeletal muscles, another name is the straightened muscles or stripped muscles. The straightened muscles means the straighter lines. The straighter lines, the transverse bands, the dark band and light band is present in the skeletal muscles. The first and previous class. Now the smooth muscles. The smooth muscles they clearly observed. So in the dark and light band cannot appear. This type of the muscles, the dark band and light band cannot appear. This type of the muscles, the smooth muscles. The smooth muscles, this type of the muscles occurs. They usually occurs in internal organs like that blood vessels, trachea, urinary bladder. So urinary bladder and fallopian tubes. Okay, students. The previous class, fallopian tubes, etc. Muscles, tissues, blood muscular tissues, types of muscles, the urinary bladder. The first one is completed. First type of the muscles, skeletal muscles, and the skeletal muscles, the brain, blood vessels, etc. All internal muscles. So internal organs, the stomach, also intestines, the stomach muscles. The smooth muscle, intestine. The smooth muscles, intestine. Cardiac intestine. This type of the muscles usually occurs in blood vessels. Second one, trachea, urinary bladder, fallopian and straightened muscles or skeletal muscles. What is the difference between the skeletal muscles and the smooth muscles? Internal muscles, another name is the straightened muscles. The smooth muscles are stripped muscles. The straightened muscles means the stomach straight, not in the bones. Straighter lines, the straighter lines, the transverse bands, the dark band and light band is present in the skeletal muscles. The first part previous class. Smoothness. The smooth muscles clearly observed. Cannot present in the dark band and light band appears. The dark band and light band, but only one nucleus is present. So dark band and light band cannot appear. This type of the muscles is called sarcoplasms containing the only one. This type of the nucleus. The single nucleus is called uninucleate. They usually occurs in nucleate. Internal organs, internal nucleus is present. This type of the nucleus is called uninucleate type. So one or more nucleus present is called multinucleate or syncytium. Multinucleate or syncytium. But smooth muscles. The smooth muscles only one nucleus or single nucleus is called uninucleate. This type of the muscles, but only one type of the lines is present, may or may not be present. So and dark band and light band cannot present in this type of the muscles. This type of the muscles contraction relaxation prolonged trachea, the urinary relaxation of the fallopian tubes. So lifelong or prolongation of the prolongation of the contraction relaxation, brain, blood vessels, etc. all internal organs. Cannot fatigue the internal organs, the stomach, the smooth muscles, the contraction and relaxation. So contraction and relaxations, the slow contraction relaxations cannot fatigue this type of the muscles. But skeletal muscle is a quickly contraction and quickly fatigue. But smooth muscles, the slow contraction relaxations, the prolongation of the contraction relaxations, and cannot fatigue in the smooth muscles, but only internal fatigue in the internal organs. The smooth muscles, for example, the smooth muscles always the contraction relaxation. Bones are cannot. For example, blood vessels, smooth trachea, urinary bladder, fallopian tubes, blood vessels, trachea. So another name. The smooth muscles, another name is the involuntary muscles. The smooth muscles cannot present in the dark band and light band. The dark band and light band, but only one involuntary muscles. This type of the muscles, the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm, containing the only one unconscious nucleus. Under unconscious is called uninucleate. Skeletal muscle is the so under the conscious control. Smooth muscles in the unconscious control. The single unconscious control is present involuntary muscles. So involuntary muscles uninucleate type. The CNS, central nervous system. The skeletal muscle systems the multinucleate somatic nervous system. But multinucleate muscles connect the central nervous system. The central nervous systems stimulated by the smooth muscles. So automatically autonomous nervous system automatically this type of the muscles are but only one time of the lines is relaxation not be contraction relaxation band and light band cannot present the prolongation of the contraction relaxation cannot fatigue but only sometimes fatigue is slowly contraction fatigue is short time fatigue in the smooth so lifelong prolongation of the prolongation of the contraction relaxations blood vessels fatigue and urinary bladder fatigue in this type of the stomach and intestine smooth muscles the contraction relaxation so contraction relaxations this type of the muscles contraction relaxations cannot which type of the fatigue this type of the muscles smooth muscles skeletal muscle is a quickly contraction and quickly fatigue. But smooth muscles the slow contraction relaxation the prolongation of the contraction relaxation skeletal muscles and cannot fatigue in the straight muscles elongation the long and cylindrical time in the blood structure the fatigue in the smooth muscles the smooth structures always the contraction relaxation for example blood vessels trachea urinary bladder fallopian tubes medically the smooth muscles another name it is now it is another name third one goes to cardiac muscles the cardiac muscles so cardiac muscles usually occurs in cardiac myocardium so myocardium muscles all vertebrates heart all vertebrates heart muscles play made of the cardiac muscles unconscious heart is made of the unconscious so any animals heart is made of the muscles this type of the control heart is called cardiac muscles unconscious control all type of vertebrates control higher vertebrate muscles so involuntary muscles cardiac muscles the CNS central nervous system skeletal muscle systems cardium means so they connecting the somatic nervous system but so muscles the contraction relaxation this type of the heart is called the central nervous system stimulated by the smooth muscles so automatically autonomous nervous system automatically heart means involuntary heart is made of the muscles any animal's heart relaxation so is called myogenic heart the myogenic heart in relaxation, the prolongation muscles relaxation, any place of the muscles is present only always contraction and relaxation. The slowly fatigue in the contraction relaxation, quickly contraction relaxation. Any muscles so slowly contraction and quickly contraction relaxation. The prolongation and urinary bladder relaxation. So stomach and the myogenic heart. So cardiac muscles. So urethra. So cardiac muscle structure. Parts cardiac muscle structure. Skeletal muscle structures. The first one is the skeletal muscles. Which shape in the smooth muscles? Skeletal. The skeletal muscle structure is the elongation and tube-like structures. Spindle shape. So we see the spindle, the cardiac muscles. The spindle shape. Cardiac muscles structure is skeletal structure. Function in the smooth muscle functions. Elongation, the long and cylindrical cardiac muscles in between the skeletal muscles and tube-like structures. But the skeletal muscle is a spindle muscle functions because the smooth cardiac muscles the slowly contraction relaxations. It is now we see spontaneously one goes to alternate contraction relaxation. So cardiac muscles contraction relaxation by birth cardiac myocardium. Myocardium means the heart is the contraction relaxation. Birth to the death in the heart. So daily so it's made of the cardiac muscles. The contraction relaxation is made of the muscles. So any animals relaxation muscles made of the contraction relaxation. Heart is called cardiac muscles. So cannot fatigue the not vertebrates in the cardiac muscles. Vertebrate animals so cannot fatigue vertebrate animals. Cardiac alternate the cardiac muscle relaxation of the cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscles cannot stimulate made of the muscles. Nerves so muscles only autonomous relaxation. So autonomous automatically is called cardiac muscle stimulation. So cardiac muscle stimulation is the contraction relaxation of the pacemaker. The pacemaker heart means the pacemaker heart is made of the muscles. Pacemaker. Any animal's heart made of the muscles is called myogenic heart. So myogenic heart always the contraction relaxation stimulation. Any place of the muscles is present. So always the potential energization. So potential contraction relaxation, automatic contraction relaxation. So slowly contraction, quickly contraction relaxation. The prolonged cardiac muscles, the cardiac muscles. So this is the myogenic heart, the cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscle structure, chemical receptors, stimulations by the skeletal muscles. So this type of the muscles. So structure is the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscle structure is the elongation and tube-like structure. Tube-like structure. We see the multinucleate, the cardiac muscle nucleate, so cardiac binucleate structure, multinucleate structure. But function in the smooth muscle dark bands. The smooth muscle functions the dark bands. So connecting the cardiac muscles, intercalated skeletal muscles and smooth intercalated discs. The skeletal intercalated discs. Smooth muscle functions. Discs is cardiac muscles the slowly contraction relaxations. ICD means intercalated discs alternate contraction relaxation. Alternate in between the two relaxation. By birth in between the two dark animals by birth to the death. The heart is the contraction relaxation. Intercalated discs. Death in the intercalated discs. So daily and every minute contraction relaxation, prolongation of the contraction relaxation of the prolongation of the depending on relaxation. Intercalated discs fatigue. So cannot fatigue the disc is fatigue in the cardiac muscles. So cannot fatigue clearly. Observed the clearly observed contraction relaxation of the cardiac muscles. So cardiac muscles cannot stimulate the two other nerves. Only intercalated discs automatically. So cardiac muscles stimulation. Potential energy releases stimulation the contraction relaxation of the pacemaker. Slowly the prolongation of the pacemaker cardiac muscles pacemaker heart the pacemaker of the heart the cardiac muscles. Any myogenic heart of the animals. So cardiac muscles relaxations the pacemaker of the heart in the neurotransmitter. So neurotransmitters potential energy chemical substances potentially stimulated by the automatically in cardiac muscles. So this is called pacemaker. The pacemaker of the heart substances. The cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles. Adrenaline. So this is the chemical neurons. So adrenaline. So chemical receptors. So chemical receptors stimulations by this type of the muscles. So this type of the muscles structure is a skeletal muscles because this is also elongation in a tube-like structures but multinucleate, uninucleate or binucleate or multinucleate. So this is the two types of the chemical substances releases. In between the automatically contraction relaxation of the intercalated discs. Depending upon the intercalated discs. So first one goes to adrenaline or epinephrine is present and noradrenaline or norepinephrine. Adrenaline means intercalated discs is present. So intercalated discs chemicals releases from the two dark adrenal gland in between the two dark bands. So this structures also this type of the structure is also called intercalated and so intercalated discs. These two types of the chemical substances continuously releases from adrenal gland. Adrenal glands releases the chemical substances and depending upon the intercalated discs and noradrenaline discs is epinephrine and norepinephrine. So adrenaline clearly absorbed the chemical substances. Heartbeat increases. So intercalated increases. So intercalated discs in between the respiratory rate is increases. Two dark bands intercalated discs. So adrenaline hormones automatically fear some potential energy releases. Fear so stimulations may the cardiac muscles. Adrenaline injections. The prolongation of the heart life, the normal relaxation of the injections, the pacemaker of the heart, the cardiac deficiency of adrenaline hormones, so cannot normal life. So cardiac muscles so injection the pacemaker of the heart in the neurotransmitter hormones, the neurotransmitters, the two types of the chemical substances. So the chemical substances, the conditions, so releases the adrenaline hormones, releases the chemical substances, conditions, sometimes increases in blood level, adrenaline or epinephrine hormones. So adrenaline, the epinephrine hormones increases the in blood, so automatically increases the heartbeat. So heartbeat, normal heartbeat 72 to 75 times per minutes in the heartbeats. So increases in 100, 120 in heartbeats. So dangerous in the high BP and BP the raises the BP blood pressure. So another name so depending upon the adrenaline hormones or noradrenaline or this is the two types of the chemical substances releases so automatically contraction relaxation of the cardiac muscles and potential energy releases the intercalated discs. The chemical so first one goes to adrenaline. So in this regarding the muscular tissues and noradrenaline or norepinephrine. Muscular tissues. Adrenaline means mesodermal in origin is called external gland. So Irish and ciliary body. Irish and ciliary body releases from ectodermal in origin and types of muscles. Three types. First one goes to skeletal muscles. So and second one is called adrenaline and cardiac muscles. In this regarding the two types of the chemical substances. The next session releases from adrenal gland. Adrenal glands releases the chemical substances. Hence the name is called adrenaline and noradrenalines. Other name is the epinephrine and norepinephrine. So adrenaline, this type of the chemical substances, the heartbeat is increases. Heartbeat increases. So pulse rate is increases. The respiratory rate is increases. The adrenaline hormone. So adrenaline hormones, so some fear. Some persons they fear. The person's adrenaline injections. So the normal life, the adrenaline injections, the adrenaline hormone. So adrenaline deficiency of adrenaline hormones, so cannot normal life. So the persons so inject the adrenaline hormones. So adrenaline hormones releases anxiety, hungry, the laughing. so say shock news these conditions so releases the adrenaline hormones releases the normal conditions, sometimes increases in blood level adrenaline or epinephrine hormones. So when the epinephrine hormones increases in blood, so automatically increases the heartbeat. So heartbeat, normal heartbeat 72 to 75 times per minutes in heartbeats. So increases in 100, 120 heartbeats so dangerous high BP or BP is the raises the BP blood pressures. So depending upon the adrenaline hormones or noradrenaline or norepinephrine. These two types of the chemical substances releases from adrenaline glands. So cardiac muscles control and potential energy releases in the pacemaker of the heart, the chemical neurotransmitters. So in this regarding the muscular tissues. So muscular tissues originate in mesodermal in origin. So except so iris and ciliary body originate ectodermal in origins. And types of muscles, 3 types. First one goes to skeletal muscles, second one goes to smooth muscles, third one goes to cardiac muscles. In this regarding the muscular tissues, the next session continues the nervous tissues.